everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate WestJet Mastercard online. If you're trying to activate your WestJet Mastercard online but you don't know how, then here's how you can do it. Simply open up your preferred web browser on a computer or your mobile device and then go to the URL box and type in Activate WestJet Mastercard and search. Now, soon after you do that, you'll end up in the search result on the next page. You can simply pick this first link where it says, let's activate your credit card. Since your WestJet Mastercard is issued by Royal Bank of Canada, you'll be taken to this web page. Here you can simply go ahead and enter the card number that is available right on the front of your WestJet Mastercard and click on the card activation button at the bottom right. On the next page, enter your 3-digit PIN available on your card and then enter your social security number. Follow through the prompts till the end and you'll be able to finish off your WestJet card activation online. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more future updates from us.